Okay, so we're sitting at day 2 of this gardening. We have decided that you'll see in 2 seconds where I originally decided to put the garden. It's not a great spot. It's very wet and very thick clay. So yeah, this is not really, you'll see in 2 seconds. It's soaked. Absolutely really hard clay. Not. Another concern is just over is the creek that goes through. It's a little creek. But if the beaver dam lets go, it's going to flood out my garden. So on to a different spot. Here we go. So Jax and I are going for a little ride on the side-by-side to the next location. Hey Jax, sit. He is full of mud. Alrighty, so now we're at the ideal spot. Oh, here comes the tractor. Anywho, I just put Jax in the cabin just in case, because he does tend to get out of the way. This is the new spot. We'll see how it pans out. So now we are done box blading the back. Now we're going to try something with the TYM. Let's see if it's actually going to work with the grapple. That's pretty low. It's working. Bye-bye grass. It's starting to look like a garden, guys. So some of you might wonder why we're piling all the tufts of grass and everything in one spot. My game plan is to turn that section where we're dumping it all into a compost pile. That way it can decompose, and by next year I'll have perfect soil out of it. But it's beginning to look a lot like a garden. Houston, we may get stuck. Spinning, spinning. Just a little side note for you guys, you're actually not supposed to go backwards with the grapple because it's a little harder on the hydraulic. Risky, but we didn't break anything. Good thing. Da, 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 da. I'm not sure how. He says I have to clean his tractor after. I think maybe just driving it around in the soaking wet field might, because it kind of looks like only the tires are dirty right now. Pretty dirty though. Not that tree didn't come out. Getting rid of a lot of the grass, that's for sure. The claw. That's really close. Okay. It just looked really close to where I planted the rhubarb, which is just by that tree. I am certainly feeling much better about this location for the flower, for the garden. Definitely. Definitely. I'm excited now for it to dry a little bit, let it settle, and then I can till it with the tiller. Well, that's a wrap for this weekend. Day 2 gardening, I think it was a success. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment. Any suggestions you guys have, let me know. Don't be shy. Have a good one.